Hello everyone. This is my review of these men's slip-on walking shoes are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a mix of comfort, style, and functionality. The slip-on design is super convenient, making them easy to put on and take off without fussing with laces. They have a snug yet flexible fit, adapting well to the shape of my feet, and the breathable mesh upper keeps them cool and comfortable, even during long walks or workouts. The cushioning is fantastic, providing excellent support for running, gym workouts, or just casual wear. I've worn them for various activities like walking, jogging, and cross-training, and they perform well across the board. The non-slip outsole offers great traction, so I feel secure even on wet or slippery surfaces. These sneakers are lightweight and stylish, making them perfect for everyday use. I hope this review helps.